Hello everyone, welcome to this YouTube channel presented by me Shikha Sambarkar, and today our topic is Computer Network Part 6. Under this we have subtopic Transmission Media Part 2, and under that we will discuss here today coaxial cable. Yes, our today's topic is coaxial cable. This video is helpful for Class 12 CBSE Computer Science and Informatics Practices students, and other students also can watch this video, those who are interested in this computer network field. So let's start our topic. So before starting the topic, first we should know what is transmission media. Transmission media, I have discussed about this in my previous videos. You can watch that. So here you can see one image is here given. First left topmost corner you can see one sender PC is there, and right bottom corner you can see receiver PC is there. It means sender is sending the message to receiver via transmission media, or we can say communication cable. So here this is the concept of data communication. There are 2 points given. The cables that connect 2 or more workstations are the communication channels. Second point is communication channels are also called transmission media or connecting media. So workstations means here 2 nodes, 2 PCs, those who are in a network. So this is the concept of data communication. Now here you can see types of transmission media. Types of transmission media. There are 2 categories, guided and unguided. Under guided media includes cables, and unguided media include waves. And basic types of guided media are twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, fiber optics. And unguided media types are infrared, radio, microwave and satellite. Here in this video we will discuss about guided media, second guided media, that is coaxial cable. In my previous video we have discussed about twisted pair cable, and now this is in this video we will discuss about coaxial cable. So let's start our topic. Here you can see two images of coaxial cable. You can see how it looks like. These 2 images are given here of coaxial cable, so that you can identify. That's why I have included these 2 images here. Now there are some points related to coaxial cable. This type of cable consists of a solid wire core surrounded by one or more foil or wire shields, each separated by some kind of plastic insulator. The inner core carries the signal and the shield provides the ground. The coaxial cable has high electrical properties and is suitable for high-speed communication. You can see the diagram here, coaxial cable. Left and right both are same. Here in the left side picture you can see there is written jacket, then shield, then dielectric, foil covered, and then conductor. So this is the complete diagram of coaxial cable here. Now some other points are also related to this coaxial cable. It is less popular than twisted pair cable. Second is it is widely used for television signals. Third one is in the form of CATV cable, it provides a cheap means of transporting multi-channel television signals around metropolitan areas. CATV stands for Community Access Television or Cable TV. CATV stands for Community Access Television or Cable TV. CATV is one of the most common methods of transmitted television signals to a consumer's home using radio frequency signals transmitted through coaxial cable. It is also used by large corporations in building security system. So it is used in television, TV, as a TV cable, cable TV, or in large corporations in building security systems also. CATV is nothing but a cable TV, and the full form is community access television, and it is not popular than twisted pair cable. Twisted pair cable is generally used in most of the places. There are some advantages related to advantages of coaxial cable, we can say. Coaxial cables advantages. First is the data transmission characteristics of coaxial cables are considerably better than those of twisted pair cables. Here data transmission is better than twisted pair cable. The coaxial cables can be used as the basis for a shared cable network. The coaxial cables can be used for broadband transmission, that is several channels can be transmitted simultaneously as with cable TV. Offer higher bandwidths up to 400 Mbps. So these are the advantages of this coaxial cable. Now some disadvantages also given here. Disadvantages are, first one is expensive compared to twisted pair. It is expensive than twisted pair. The coaxial cables are not compatible with twisted pair cables. So these are the disadvantages. Now types of coaxial cable. Types of coaxial cable, you can see there are two types, thicknet and thinnet. You can compare these two cables given in this image, thicknet and thinnet. We will discuss it in the next slide. Here you can see coaxial cable types. First one is thicknet. This form of coaxial cable is thicker than thinnet, as we have seen in the previous slide, the images. The thicknet coaxial cable segments, while joining nodes of a network, can be up to 500 meters long. Here, coaxial cable segments can be up to 500 meters long. And in thinnet, the form of coaxial cable is thinner and it can have maximum segment length of 185 meters. That is, using these cables, nodes having maximum distance of 185 meters can be joined. In my previous video, in case of twisted pair cable, we have seen that UTP and STP cables can have maximum segment length of 100 meters only. But here we have seen that in case of thicknet, it is up to 500 meters long, and in thinnet, it is 185 meters, can be up to 185 meters. So it means this is the segment, we can say the thicknet coaxial cable segment or thinnet coaxial cable segment. In case of thicknet, it is 500 meter long, and in case of thinnet, it is 185 meters. That's why it is better than this UTP or STP. In UTP or STP, we have seen that it is only 100 meters maximum segment length. Okay. So friends, thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe, and must watch my next video based on fiber optics. Thank you.